My last job was in 2005 or 2006, and my mother came down with dementia. And I took care of her until she died in 2014.
He was a man that had several struggles throughout his life, had been actually homeless at one point, but had the determination and wanted to succeed and showed that he could do the job and do it well. So he had that perseverance, and we gave him a shot, and he's not proven us wrong at all.
Here at the press, I'm a palletizer, mail breaker, I break the mail, and I just oversee most of the temporary employees that rides with me on the bus.
Ricky's very upbeat. Ricky's a guy that everybody likes. He knows his job. He does a very good job. He's got a good work ethic. So he's a great guy.
You got to like your job in the first place. Yeah, I mean, you can go to this company. If I didn't like them, I would not work good. I'm not going to last long. I finally found a company I like. I'm not looking for anything else. I hope the bus never run out the bus. If they do, then I'll probably have to try to find it, right? Because, I mean, I found a company that I like.
Rideshare has allowed him to go from Beloit to Milton, which is about a 30-minute drive, and that has allowed him to keep his employment and to be able to get to work. In addition to that, he advocates for other people to use the rideshare program.
Well, to anybody that's out there, I mean, there's plenty of jobs. Don't be scared to go to temporary agency. You're going to work more than one day. If you work good, you're going to work more than one day. Now, if you're a poor worker, best thing is try to own your own business. That's all I can tell you.